Highly welcome. Into this tutorial, we are going to solve this problem on the board. Let's see how we're going to solve it. So we are given 49 over root 7 to the power of x equals 343. Then x equals what? According to what we have here. So now what we are going to do is that. So now you see this, I can write it as 4 to the power of 9 divided by the square root of 7. Now I'm going to rationalize by multiplying both numerator and denominator by root 7. Then I will multiply this by root 7 too. Alright, then all to the power of x then equals 3, 4, 3. Alright, so from here, so we see that we're going to have 49 root 7 then divided by, so when you have root a multiplied by root a, so this will give us what? This will give us a. So therefore root 7 times root 7 here, so we are going to have what? We're going to have 7, then all to the power of x then equals 3, 4, 3. Alright, so moving on, we're going to have 49, 7 in 49, we're going to have 7, 7 in 7, we're going to have 1. So therefore we're going to be left with 7 then root 7, alright, to the power of x equals 243 or 343. Alright, so we're going to have, I'm going to rewrite this 7, 7 to the power of 7 to the power of 1 multiplied by this 7, the root will turn to 1 over 2. Alright, then to the power of x equals 3, 4, 3. So from the law of indices, when you have a to the power of b multiplied by a to the power of c, this is going to be a to the power of b plus c. So that's what you are going to do there. You're going to have 7, then 1 plus 1 over 2, all to the power of x, then equals 3, 4, 3. Alright, so moving on, we're going to have 7, 1 plus 1 over 2, that will give us 3 over 2, then all to the power of x, then equals 3, 4, 3. Alright, so moving on. So now when you have a to the power of b, then to the power of c, so this is going to be a to the power of b times c, then we have a to the power of bc. Alright, so from there we're going to have 7 to the power of 3 over 2, we multiply the x, so we're going to have 3 over 2 what? X, then equals. Now this 343 can be written in this form as 7 to the power of what? 7 to the power of 3. Alright, so we are going to have 7 to the power of 3 over 2x then equals 7 to the power of 3. Now when you have a to the power of b equals a to the power of c, so this implies that b must be equals to c because these two bases are the same. Alright, so from there you now can conclude that this is equals to this because we are having the same basis. So we're going to have 3 over 2x will be equals to 3. Understood? So now, when you try to multiply or do cross multiplication, write this 3 as over 1. So cross multiplying, so we're going to have 3x will be equals 2 times 3. Alright, so we have 3x will be equals to 6. You are going to divide both sides by 3 here. Divide both sides by 3. So this, we cancel this. Then we have x to be equals to 2. So we have the solution to be what? 2. Now let's check whether we are right or not. So let's verify. So to verify, we have what? We have the equation to be 49 divided by square root of 7, then all to the power of x equals 3, 4, 3. Now, when n equals what? When x equals 2 now. When x equals 2, so what are we going to have? When x equals 2, we have 2. Will this give us 3, 4, 3? Now let's see. Now you know that this 49, this 49 can be written as 7 to the power of 2, alright? Then over this root 7, we have root 7, and we can share the power 2, alright? Will this give us what? 343. Now you can see the upper one will give us 7 to the power of 4 divided by this power. We cancel the square root, we're going to have 7. Alright, we're going to have 7, then equals 343. Now from there, so you see that we can have 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. That is 7 to the power of 4 divided by 7. Will this give us 343? So you see that this, we cancel this, we are left with 7 times 7, then times 7. Will this give us 343? So if you multiply these together, you see that we're going to have 343 equals 343. So by that, we can see that the value of x we got, which is x equals 2, is what? Is a valid solution because it satisfies the equation. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the class, kindly share to your friends so they can learn from it. Bye bye.